Hi everyone. Today we are going to solve 10 statistical problems using Python. We will work with samplings. First, we take date. First, in first question, we take data from the supermarket SV and filter it for the females. Mm, for the second, um, for this is the setup for the first two question sets. Then for the first question we will take the CV and filter it for the females, and for the second one we calculate the sample mean of unit price with 500 samples, um, um, with 1000 samples with 1000 samples. Then for the third one, sampling helps us understand how the mean changes with sample size. The larger the sample, the closer we get to the true. Then in question third, we find population mean, that simply the mean of the entire data set for females. This serves as a reference for comparison. For the fourth one, now we created to 95 percentage of confidence interval for the sample mean from 500 samples using the formula with the standard error. We check if the population mean lies within our CI. If it does, it means our sample mean is a good estimate. For the fifth, it's we change the confidence level to 99 percentage. 99 percentage. This widens the interval because we are more confident but less precise. Again, we check if the population means fail falls inside. For the sixth experiment, we run 25 trials of samplings with n 500. Plot the confidence interval. Each blue line is an interval. Every each dot, red dot is a sample mean, and the green dead dashed line is the populated mean. This show how sampling variation works. And for the seventh one, we calculate the Pearson correlation coefficient between the weight and blood pressure. The Pearson measures linear relationship. If it's closer to +1 or -1, the relationship is strong. For the eighth one, uses Spearman correlation, which is rank based and it detects monotonic relationships, not just linear ones. It's useful when data is normally distributed. For the ninth one, yeah, we is covariance and correlation heat maps. We calculate the covariance matrix or math, English, and art scores. Then use Seaborn to create a heat map of correlations. This lets us visually see which subjects have stronger relationships. For the tenth one, we do a Z test. The population mean breaking strength is 1800, but a sample of 50 cables has a mean of 1850. We calculate the Z value, compare it with the critical value 2.33 at 1%. Significance, since of Z value is greater, we reject the null hypothesis. The new manufacturing method likely increase the cable strength. Thank you.